Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Google account is active, Jumptask logged in, and permissions granted. Now, open the project where you want tasks. Click Import Google Task and authorize access when prompted. This connects their API to Jumptask. Once done, choose the Google task list to bring in. Make sure to pick the correct account if you use multiple. You're initiating the sync. This is the first actionable move that creates the bridge between Google Tasks and your Jumptask workspace. You now map fields so data lands where you expect. Select title, due date, notes, and labels from Google and assign matching fields in Jumptask. This prevents orphan notes. Next, pick sync direction. One-way import is safer for first runs. Two-way keeps both systems aligned. Configure conflict rules. Choose newest wins, preserve local or manual resolve to avoid accidental overwrites. Once mappings and rules are set, run a small test sync with 3-5 tasks to verify behavior before full import. You finish by running the full sync and verifying counts, due dates, and notes. Inspect a sample of imported tasks to ensure labels and subtasks translated correctly. If items are missing or duplicated, pause and adjust field mapping or conflict rules, then rerun the sync. This fixes most issues. If errors persist, check the sync logs for API failures and reauthorize the Google token. One key tip: clear duplicates by running a dedupe pass in Jumptask before retrying to avoid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.